Hi there! Today we're going to go through 7 important terms in the Digital Marketing Glossary. So the first term that we're going to talk about today is keyword research, and that term is related to search engine optimization or SEO. Now, keyword research is the search for words that users type into Google which are related to your services and products. It involves the analysis of which keywords drive the highest traffic to your website. The number of relevant keywords your website ranks for has a great impact on the amount of traffic and exposure your website gets. Keyword research should be done before you create the content for your website, and that's because you want to tailor the content that you create to those keywords so that Google can associate your business with the terms and start showing your website to the right audience. The second term we're going to talk about today is the lead magnet, and this is a term related to email marketing. Now, a lead magnet is a creative tool to encourage your visitors to engage with your brand and give out their contact information, typically an email. Think of the pop-up messages you see on a website that offers you a template to download or a discount in return for your email. It's a creative way to collect emails from your visitors or interested prospects. Email marketing is a great way to increase your sales by nurturing and staying in touch with your visitors who don't convert right away. Now, many companies find it challenging to build a mailing list, and this is why a lead magnet could be a great way to do so. The third term in the Digital Marketing Glossary is a call to action, or a CTA, and this is a term related to content marketing. And what it means is that a CTA is a part of your marketing message that guides the audience into taking a desired action. The power of a strong CTA is truly underestimated in digital marketing. Many times when we're auditing our clients' websites, we would find that their websites lack any kind of call to action. So you would go through the service page or the home page, and there's no sign of a clear direction to an action or a step that the visitor should take. The same thing happens when we're auditing social media posts. And so we always advise our clients that whenever they're creating content, whether it's a video, a post, a story, or a website content, you should always think of what you want the customer to do after they've read that information or consumed that content. Crafting strong calls to action like get a free code, get a free trial for 30 days, book an appointment for half price could be a great way to improve your conversion rate and could be a game changer to the way that people engage with your content. The fourth term in the glossary is inbound marketing, and this is another term related to content marketing. Now, inbound marketing is a marketing model where the sales performance relies on the client taking the first initiative to find and purchase the product. This is achieved by attracting customers through creating valuable content and experiences tailored and made specifically for them. Now, inbound marketing is the opposite of outbound marketing, where brands usually interrupt the audience with content or advertising messages that they're not necessarily looking for. Like, for example, you're watching a video and you're suddenly hit by a YouTube ad. You didn't exactly ask for this YouTube ad, or you didn't ask for that content. It's interruptive. So instead of that, inbound marketing forms connections that the audience are actually looking for and solves problems that they already have. The cycle of inbound marketing relies on creating content that attracts, engages, and delights the audience throughout their journey, from the moment they are still strangers with the brand until they become brand advocates. The fourth term in the Digital Marketing Glossary is click-through rate, or CTR, and this is a term related to online advertising or pay-per-click campaigns. Now, click-through rate is the total number of users who clicked on your ad divided by the total number of people who saw your ad, and of course it's multiplied by 100 to get that percentage. CTR is one of the most important metrics through which you measure the impact of any paid campaign you're running online, whether on social media platforms, search engines, or even display ads on websites. CTR can also tell you a lot about the efficiency of the copy, visuals, and messages you're using in your ad. And that's why advertisers would always keep an eye on the CTR whenever they're running A/B test campaigns to see which messages and visuals work better and resonate with the audience. To understand the importance of CTR, you need to understand the way online advertising works. Brands pay for every click they get, and publishers reduce the cost per click if the campaign has a high click-through rate. And that's why it's an important metric or concept that you must be familiar with whenever you're running any sort of online advertising to be able to manage your budget and measure your success. The sixth digital marketing glossary term is user-generated content, or UGC, and this is a term related to social media marketing. Now, user-generated content is any content created by consumers rather than brands. And it could be text, TikTok challenges, videos, images, reviews, or whatever type of content. For obvious reasons, users trust what people say about brands more than what brands say about themselves. And that's why user-generated content is a powerful social media marketing tool. Digital marketers use user-generated content on their social media accounts or websites to promote authenticity, build trust, and drive purchasing decisions from their own audience. It's a great way to let your customers do the marketing for you. Last but not least is responsive design, and this is a term related to web design. Now, responsive web design is the approach where design and development should respond to the user's behavior and environment based on the screen size or the platform they're using. In other words, it's ensuring that your web design is not fixed. It adapts to the user's device or browser. Responsive web design involves the speed, the content structure, and the visual layout of your website. Now, it's a given fact that everything is mobile first. That's because most users of the internet use their mobile devices to surf the internet. And for that reason, search engines put a lot of weight on how adaptive a website is to mobile devices. Your web design affects both SEO and the experience of your visitors. And so regardless of the industry that you operate in, having a responsive web design that adapts to multiple devices, browsers, and operating systems is a must. Now, thank you very much for watching that video, and if you have any other digital marketing terms that are confusing, just drop us a comment below and we'll get back to you.